Welcome to Module 1. Good day, everyone. Today we embark on a journey into the world of labor economics, a field that delves into the complexities of the labor market and its impact on economies. Definition and scope of labor economics. Let's start by understanding what labor economics is all about. Labor economics focuses on the behavior of labor markets, the choices individuals make regarding work, and the impact of those choices on wages, employment, and overall economic development. It's essential to differentiate labor economics from other branches of economics. While macroeconomics looks at the overall economy and microeconomics examines individual markets, labor economics specifically zooms in on the interactions within the labor market historical overview. Now let's take a brief historical journey. Understanding the evolution of labor markets helps us grasp the current dynamics. From agrarian societies to the Industrial Revolution, major shifts in technology and societal structures have shaped the nature of work and employment. Key economic theories influencing labor economics. Various economic theories have significantly influenced the study of labor economics. Classical economics, neoclassical economics, and more recent behavioral economics have all contributed to our understanding of labor markets. Importance of labor economics. Why is labor economics crucial? Labor is not just a factor of production. It's a driving force behind economic growth and societal well-being. By studying labor economics, we gain insights into how policies and market dynamics impact individuals, firms, and entire economies. Analyzing the role of labor in economic development, let's delve into the role of labor in economic development. A well-functioning labor market is essential for productivity, innovation, and overall economic progress. We'll explore how labor dynamics can either contribute to or hinder economic development. Impact of labor market dynamics on overall economic health. The health of the labor market has far-reaching consequences. Unemployment rates, wage levels, and labor force participation all affect the overall economic health of a nation. As we progress in this course, we'll connect the dots between labor market dynamics and broader economic indicators, recap and transition. To sum up, we've covered the definition and scope of labor economics, explored its historical roots, and highlighted its importance in economic development. Thank you